everyone, this is Ida. In this video, I will show you how to change the ID of the keypad. Okay, first I will power it off, and I will long press the code and power it on. We can see that there's numbers 111 on the screen. It is the ID of the keypad. Now we need to change it. I will change it to 112 and press code. Yes. Now I will power it off, long press code and power it on. It has been changed to the new ID T112. And as we all know, in many places we may need to several keypads to code the same pages. So you can use this way to code it. And the kind note is that once you change the ID of the keypad, you need to pair the pages with the keypad again, or it will not work. So I hope that this video is helpful. And if you have other questions, just email us at support@retekess.com. So see you next time. Bye.